Sometimes you need to replenish many or all of the same items you've listed in a previous batch. If so, there's good news. You can do it all at once by duplicating your old batch. No need to add MCUs one by one. Start by going to History in the lower left corner of your screen. Find the batch you want to duplicate in the list of closed batches. If you have many batches to search through, you can use the search bar in the upper right. Once you've found your batch and clicked on it, you'll see its contents on the right. It's important to note that you'll need to duplicate the batch, not restore it, if you want to replenish your items. Restoring a batch will overwrite your previous data instead of recording it as a new shipment or additional MFN quantities. Click Duplicate Batch. Then, confirm your decision by clicking Duplicate this batch in the popover that appears. Your batch will open to the Find It step with all the same items, quantities, and details as before. If you need to change anything about an item, click on the Kebab menu in the upper right corner. You can then choose to edit the item or remove it. You can freely add any other items you want to. Then, submit your batch as usual. It will be sent to Amazon as a new FBA shipment or fresh MFN quantities.